Sometimes 1430 isn't enough. Here's an example. South, 19 points plus 2 length opens 1 spade. North, 11 high card points, 4 card spade support, jumps to 3 spades. South adds her 21 to North's 10 to 12 for 31 to 33 total and wants to investigate slam. With a known spade fit, she bids 1430 for no trump. North shows 1 key card with 5 clubs. South with 3 key cards herself. Knows we have 4 of the 5, so she bids 6 spades, a very reasonable slam. Opponents take the heart, ace, and king off the top, down 1. What went wrong? Nothing went wrong with 1430. The choice to use it is what went wrong. Let's move a card or 2 in responder's hand. The bidding is exactly the same as before, but this time 6 spades makes. Why? Because we have at least 1 stopper in all 4 suits. We call these stoppers controls. An ace or a void is a first round control in any suit. A king or a singleton is second round control. For 1430 to yield a makeable slam, we need second round control or better in all 4 suits. South had a worthless heart doubleton, and North didn't have first or second round control of hearts. Let's state this idea as a rule. Never use 1430 if you have a worthless doubleton in an unbid suit. Similarly, never bid 1430 if you have a void. We'll see plenty of examples of this. So what do we do if we have a worthless doubleton or a void and we still want to investigate slam? Welcome to Cuebidding Controls, a way to find out if partner holds a specific ace that we need. Same hands as before. 1 spade open, 3 spade jump raise. South wants to investigate slam. She has a worthless heart doubleton in an unbid suit, so she starts bidding her controls up the line. Above 3 spades, the next bid up is 4 clubs. South bids it because she has the ace of clubs. This 4 club bid does 4 things. First, it tells partner, I have interest in slam. Second, it tells partner, I have a problem that's preventing me from using 1430. Third, it tells partner, I have first round control in the suit that I bid, 4 clubs. And fourth, it asks partner, what controls do you have? North has the diamond ace, so she bids 4 diamonds. We have shown first round control in clubs and diamonds. South doesn't have the heart ace. Not knowing if North has it, South must sign off in the 4 spade game. Bidding 4 spades does not mean I have the spade ace. It means from what I have heard so far, I can't go on above game. North doesn't have first round control of hearts either, so she passes. We play 4 spades, and it makes. Much better than going down in the 6 spade slam. So now let's bid hand 2 again, using control bids. South, 1 spade. North, 3 spades. South, with the worthless heart doubleton, Q bids 4 clubs. North doesn't have the diamond control, so she bids 4 hearts, showing the heart control. That's exactly what South wants to hear. With our heart control problem solved, South will bid 4 no trump, 1430, to find out how many key cards North has. North has only the heart ace, so she bids 5 clubs, and South goes on to the very makeable 6 spade slam. Notice North didn't have the ace of diamonds to bid. Why did that not bother South? Because South has second round control of diamonds herself. There are 2 ways to bid this hand. All South needed to know was, did North have control in hearts? Once North showed that control with her cue bid, South could just jump straight to 6 spades if she wanted to. There's a good reason for doing it this way. Every time we bid, we give information to the opponents. But if we bid 1430 and North now shows only 1 key card, it's easy for defense to locate all the other honors. So in review, we had a big hand with slam interest, but we had a problem in hearts. By using control bids, we can still investigate slam and maybe get to a makeable contract. Either partner can end the slam investigation by bidding game like South did here. This 4 heart bid is not showing the heart ace. All it is saying is, I don't want to go above game. In this auction, after 1 heart, 3 hearts, we can show first round control of spades, clubs, and diamonds, all below game. These controls allow us to find out if our problem suit is covered by partner before we venture above game. Presuming that we fixed our problem, we can then use 1430 and find out if partner has the ace of trumps, here the heart ace. One more thing to make sure we understand. After 1 heart, 3 hearts, we have suit agreement. Any new suit shows a control. We are not suggesting diamonds as a new suit for trump here. Here, after 1 spade, 3 spades, South has slam interest because she bid 4 clubs, showing the control. North has no interest in going above game, so she signs off in 4 spades. Here, South shows the club ace. North shows the diamond ace. South, with no heart control, signs off in 4 spades. North has that heart control, so she can bid 5 hearts to show it. Here, South is happy to bid 6 spades. If South gets cold feet after 5 hearts, she can still sign off in 5 spades and avoid the slam if she wants to. Here is another important point to always remember. North has controls in diamonds and hearts. Correct technique is always show the lower control first. If you bypass it and bid 4 hearts, you deny the diamond control. You know South doesn't have the heart control because you have it. So expect South to bid 4 spades. When she does, you can decide if you want to stop in game or bid the heart control yourself. Now let's talk about the other time when 1430 doesn't work, when you have a void. Here we have a club void. If we bid 1430, North will show one key card. We won't know if it's the club ace, which is useless to us, or the heart ace, which we dearly need for our slam to work. So when we have a void, don't use 1430 immediately. Start with the Cuebidding sequence. A void is a first round control. So 4 clubs is our first bid over 3 spades. North doesn't have the diamond control, so she bids the heart control. Just what we were looking for. So we now bid 6 spades. We don't worry about diamonds because we have second round control of the suit ourselves. South again shows the club control, but partner has the club ace. So she knows South is showing a void. The problem here is that North has no diamond control or heart control, so she signs off in 4 spades. South also missing both aces in those 2 suits, passes, and we stop in a makeable game. This time, responder has a void. Over 4 clubs, she will show 4 hearts, her heart control. For South to go on, she has to have the diamond control that partner skipped. King Queen is second round diamond control, so she can continue and go on to slam. Notice North here has only 6 high card points, but with 4 card spade support, she can add 4 dummy points for the heart void, giving her a 10-point limit raise hand. Why 4 points and not 5 dummy points? Basic bridge teaches 5 because it's simple. All voids in responder's hand are worth 5 points. Except that's not very accurate. More accurate is count the void equal to how many cards you have in support. Here we have 4 card spade support, so count the void as worth 4 points. Notice we are in slam on 25 combined high card points, and with only one loser, the diamond ace, it will make. A void removes the 10 high card points in that suit, so we can often make slam on 23 combined points instead of 33 like we would normally think. Similarly, with the right controls, we can make grand slam on 27 combined points, not the 37 like we normally know. South, with a worthless heart doubleton, starts with 4 clubs. North bypasses diamonds and bids 4 hearts to show the control. With second round control in diamonds, South bids 1430. North shows 2 key cards without the queen. South gladly goes to 6 spades. A main point about this auction: neither partner can show the trump control. To do so ends the auction. It's using 1430 that tells us if partner has either trump control, the ace or the king. South with a worthless heart doubleton, shows the club control. North bypasses diamonds and shows the heart control. That solved South's problem, so she bids 1430, and North answers 1 or 4 key cards. South has 2 key cards, so we have only 3 total. Off 2 key cards, so we stop in 5 spades. Again, 1430 saved us from a bad slam. Today, we learned how to cue-bid first round controls when we have a hand where 1430 won't help us. Specifically, we cue-bid controls when we have a worthless doubleton in an unbid suit or when we have a void. There's a lot more to this subject, like learning second round controls. We will save that for another time.